you what we need, and you decided this. What you say? Did you what we need, and you decided this. What you say? Did you what we need, and you decided this. What you say? Did you what we need, and you decided this. What you say?
Come on, G Malone, still on the block with it. Just posted, my still got some rounds in it. Case haters make a problem and I gotta solve it. Billy lean against the car like an alcoholic. Kill Bill but still kicking like Lucy Lou. And watch my little homies hustle like I used to do. Heard they mad, I got Crips calling troops with rules. What they all tell the gang, y'all get used to do. Here to stay and cake at least 6 summers. Your baby mama already want the dick from him. And your sister calling me her little busted baby. While your teenage daughters kiss my poster daily. So crazy, haters scared to start me up. You can't fade me, your clippers ain't sharp enough. Ain't another rapper.
They don't know.
What up, Witch?
They don't know.
Grew up Young Gotti.
They don't know.
Have it.
They don't know.
Yeah, this our squad, my nigga.
Dog Pound, Mob Deep, Infamous G Unit.
To get that bread, niggas clueless. So they bullshit and more bullshit. Know my focus like a full clip. The world like my shooting range. The bread over there that we taking name. Stash most of it for them rainy days. On that paper chase like game day. Sitting back living like fit a major way. Got hoes that ain't never been to the States. Continental have monumental cash. Sit back, show you how the ball is bash. Haters throwing up, they call me Young Nauseous Cash. Look at all this ass, pretty young things, beautiful things. Catch me at the party, scooping a few things. Yeah, scooping a few things.
Yeah, we getting money over here, shitting money out the red, put some money in the air.